Alright, y'all, so we done came out here this morning, man. Pretty much, this will bring y'all an update on the Chevy. There she go. You know, we was supposed to be getting the console made, man. Man, I've been busy, man. I've been busy. So this morning I came out here, cut up like all the little pieces I'm gonna need. They're gonna be like the front little arc. I can't do it today because I don't have no fucking jigsaw blade. So I'm gonna have to go get one. So I got all the pieces marked. As you can see kind of how that's gonna go. Cup holders, make that a little bit longer. And then of course there's gonna be another piece that comes and it's gonna be right up here. Not that piece in particular. I might have to still cut another one depending upon size and width. That one looks to be a little bit shorter than what we needed to be. But ain't no thing, 'cause we got some more over here that we can cut it off of. We started with like one sheet. That size over there. So starting with a sheet that size, we was pretty much able to cut the two side pieces. This is like the back and the front of the for the joint, like, so where this is the part to go over the hump. You know what I'm saying? This is the part to go over the hump. And then, like I said, for the cup holders here, I did deviate from the original plan. Before that was like a lot narrower, but we added some more room that way. Probably gonna try to scoot the cup holders even probably further back. That way, when the screen is right there, it's not a big deal or whatever. So yeah, I got everything cut when I go out today. I put that on my list. Some stuff to get. Got the little stabilizer pieces cut. So really now the last piece I gotta cut is the part where the screen go in. I forgot what it was, but I ain't give up on the project, y'all. Like I said, I've just been busy. I know we've been dealing with the cutlass and everything like that. So yeah. Let me see if I can find a piece for the damn thing. Oh yeah, man. You know, tarp still here. You got a membership, you know what's under there. If you don't wait on 10,000 subscribers. You'll find out, or you can get your membership for the low price of $4.99 per month. Support the LSCR Nation, support the movement. All right, where was I looking at? I thought it was up here. That's the turbo. Or some other different cars. It's all good. I can measure it out again. It ain't nothing but the width. So the width across here, and then from here to here. So, but I mean, that was the point of doing the cardboard cutout first, so I could go ahead and get everything kind of pre-cut, everything like that, and then come back. So I might decide to try to cut this shit on the router. It should be fairly simple. I'm just not 100%. I think I have a better chance of getting this straight with a jigsaw. As crazy as that sounds, like, it's true. It really is. But I mean, we never know. Never know. So I guess we ain't got nothing to lose. I'll just have to change out the bit, because this is like the roundover bit I got on there. That's been there since last time. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to make a path. So I'm trying to go ahead and do whatever we need to do so we can get this put back up. I can clear my path and get my damn bike out. So this is for the box Chevy. Like I said, I was still gonna build a console. I know that I went ahead and I revealed that we doing the I know that we revealed that we was doing a giveaway. Well, not a giveaway, or when the tarp came off, you see that we was doing a Camaro installation, the Camaro interior. So technically, I mean, this will only be temporary, but I ain't want to start something else and not finish it. Kind of like the way I started that fucking dash over there in the corner and didn't finish it. But I'm gonna come back and revisit that too. So, yeah, man. So I guess, I don't know, man. What y'all think? Should I try this on the router table? I don't know. All right, y'all, we back. As you can see, there's some pieces missing. There's some scraps down here. So something has been happening. I don't know what's happening, but let me show you what we did. I tried to cut it on the router table. There's a bit of an unevenness on the router table, so it didn't come out right. So I went and picked up these blades for my... Yeah, I went and picked up these wood blades for the jigsaw. Cut really well, man. Really well. I was impressed. Bosch makes a decent blade. So I think it was like, I got the receipt. So I bought those blades and I bought these blades just in case. So I didn't want to have to come back, but I didn't know if they were this universal U-shank or if they were a T-shank. Most of them are T-shank. I think I looked on the website at the store. It said T-shank or some other one, and I was like, well, maybe I'll just get both to fucking make sure and be for certain. So I got both of them, ran with the T-shanks. T-shanks fit off in there very well. Pretty easy to install on here. Yeah. Oh shit. I didn't know that bit was gonna pop out like that. Pop out, lock out, drop out. But yeah, pretty easy to install. This part here goes there. Smooth, or the smooth part, back of the blade. And then you just rotate that part. Hold on, y'all. What the fuck is that? Boom. Oh yeah, make sure your battery not hooked up or whatever, so yeah, now it's hooked off in there. It's good to go, all that good jazz. So but yeah, there was an unevenness on the router table, so I went ahead and got the blades and just did the best that I could. Now, this is probably my first, well, it's not my first woodworking experiment or whatever I'm saying, but I will say that probably cutting those a little bit simpler. I guess after I got off into the groove of it and everything like that. Oh yeah, 10,000 subscribers. Find out what's up under the tarp or get you a membership. I just thought I'd throw that in there. I'm trying to throw it in every video so that people know or whatever. So 10,000 subscribers, make sure you subscribe. Reveal the contents of the tarp, or you can get the membership for $4.99 and you can find out what's up under there right now today. So let me show you what we got. So as you can see here, I got the pieces kind of cut out. I got my sides cut out. I was trying to piece some stuff together, trying to make it be the way that it is. I'm still not 100% on the inside, so pretty much what I did up to this point, I got it to where this is gonna kind of sit down off inside of there, cut my holes for my cup holders, then get a piece that goes across there, and that is where the radio and the equalizer will sit off in there. It should be enough room. At this point, I'm really gonna have to go back and kind of, I think, re-measure or whatever, just to make sure. I think originally, I was thinking that this was gonna be on top of there. Well, no, not really. It was supposed to go in between, but I ain't really compensate for it. But it is what it is. So my final dimensions are gonna be off, but I mean, I ain't selling these for production or whatever, man. If y'all wanna get, like I told y'all at the beginning of this little bitty baby series that kind of got drug out, man. If y'all want that real, go holler at my boy Steve Davis or go holler at my boy Reggie. Car Swag Customs and Steve Chevy Shop. You can get your console on the right. But you trying to figure that shit out, I'm just taking y'all through the steps like I do. So anyway, that's how it's coming together. So yeah, I still got to make the portion right there. Like I said, we're gonna put the radio and put the equalizer, and then from there, like mine not gonna have no fancy lights or nothing like that. I'm just putting something in there to be a cup holder. Like I said, I'm really just finishing this project because I started it. We already said that we was going with something different for the Caprice. Down the line we was going with the Camaro dash, Camaro console, all of that. So in the meantime, in between time, this is what we're gonna rock with, and we're gonna go from there. But I figure I'll still give it a shot and go from there. Wood price has been up. I started to use that as an excuse, but this wood been sitting over here for a minute. Shout out to my dog Cortez. I still got a couple more sheets over there because originally I was gonna build a box, and then yeah, all kind of stuff happened. So from this point, I still gotta go get some wood glue. I want to go and get some larger clamps. Some of these larger clamps, these are only 6 inches. I need something that's like 12 to 15 so that I can clamp them around the workpiece and kind of, I guess, have a better, especially like when I get ready to glue it. I mean, I am gonna glue and screw, but like I said, it's still more that I need to kind of look off into. I am probably going to attempt to wrap it in some kind of vinyl material. Probably be blue, or it might be black. Probably gonna go blue, just because the other part's blue. So blue or black or blue, I don't know. But like I said, it's basically just something to put the cup holders, hold the cups, hold the radio, a double din or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. with that. So until the next time, when I get y'all a better update, like I said, I'm probably not gonna drag this out no further. I'm gonna get the rest of the pieces that I need. Like I said, I really just gotta cut this one piece that gotta go across where the radio and stuff go, and then from there, cut the holes for the radio, cut the holes for the equalizer, and then from there, I mean, it's pretty much go time. So y'all stay tuned, and eventually I'll have y'all another update video on that. Like I said, in the meantime, you know, we got other stuff going on with the Cutlass, with the C10 and everything. So make sure you click that bell. Like I said, memberships, if you want to know what's up on this tarp, $4.99, or you can wait till we get to 10,000 subscribers. So tell a friend so we can help the less fortunate and all that stuff. So see you next time. It's your boy LSF254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. I'm just gonna put this little part in here at the end, man. I don't know why a lot of people be complaining about the prices for these consoles, but don't wanna attempt to try to do them themselves or whatever, man. So, like, if you can't do it, then just admit you can't do it. Keep shopping till you find somebody that got the prices in your price range, and then shop with them. But don't complain. Don't complain when the quality ain't there. You know what I'm talking about? No, I am not selling consoles. This is me personally, because y'all know how I get down. Identify your weakness, make your strength. So this is how I get down. I attempt everything my damn self. That's how I got started with the LS swaps in the first place. I just kept on swapping. I just kept on buying cars and swapping them. But yeah, man, don't be haggling people about their prices, man. They know what they got as far as time, effort, material, all of that into their price structure. So pay them in, or get the hell out their line and go buy you some wood and try that shit yourself. And let's say that. Gone.